Hello, my wonderful viewers. I welcome you once again to our mathematics class. We shall be solving some problems with regard to linear and exponential sequence. On the board, I have the first question. It says the sum of the first three terms of an arithmetic progression AP is 18. If the first term is 4, find their product. Alright, the sum of the first three terms of an arithmetic progression AP is 18. If the first term is 4, find their product. Okay, so we are going to find their product. Alright, I will divide this board so that we can have enough space for this work. So for question number 1, I'll start with solution. Okay? Solution. Now for question number 1, the sum of the first three terms of an arithmetic, let the first term be A. Okay, the first term is A. Alright? The second term, let it be A plus D. And the third term, let it be A plus 2D. Okay, from the question, it says, if the first term, but from the question, but A, the first term is equal to what? 4. Alright, we should find the sum of the first three terms. So the first three terms is A plus D. So let us sum them up. We have A plus D plus the third one, A plus 2D. All gave us what? 18. Alright? So collect items here. We have A plus A plus A plus D plus 2D equal to 18. So A plus A will give me 3A. Plus D plus 2D gives me 3D, all equal to 18. Recall that our A is equal to 4, so I'm going to substitute for A here. So this will now be 3 times 4 plus 3D equal to 18. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12, okay? Plus 3D equal to 18, okay? Subtract 12 from both sides. Subtract 12 from both sides. Let's see what that becomes. If we subtract 12 from both sides, this will be 12 minus 12 plus 3D equal to 18 minus 12. Okay? So 12 minus 12 will give us what? 0. So what is left is 3D equal to 18 minus 12 is now going to give us 6. Divide through by 3, which is the coefficient of D. So 3D equal to 6. Here divide by 3, here divide by 3. Cancel, we have no 1. So D, which is our common difference. Alright? D is our common difference. It's now equal to 3 go here 1, 3 go here 6, 2. So D is what? 2. We have gotten the common difference. Alright. So therefore, our first term will now be 4. That is, our first term A is now what? 4. We have it there. Okay. Then the next one is A plus D. Second term, which is A plus D. Now it will now be 4 plus 2. So give us 6. So second term is 6. Then third term, which is A plus 2D, will now be 4 plus 2 times 2. That will give us 8. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 4. We have 8. So our first term is 4, second term is 6, and the third term is 8. Good. They say we should find their product. Okay? The product will now be 4 times 6 times 8. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times 8 is 192. So the answer is 192. That is the product. We are done with question 1. We start over again with question number 2. In question number 2, it says the first term of a geometric series is 350. If their sum to infinity is 250, find the common ratio. Okay? The first term given to us as 350. Alright? The sum to infinity given to us as 250. Now we know that the sum to infinity of a geometric series is S. Sum to infinity equal to A all over 1 minus common ratio. And common ratio is what we are looking for. So we are going to substitute in this formula. Sum to infinity given to us here is 250 equal to A, which is our first term, 350 all over 1 minus common ratio. We are going to cross multiply. When that happens, we have 250 multiplying 1 minus r. All equal to 350. Okay? 250 times 1 is 250. 250 times minus r will give us minus 250r equal to 350. So I'm going to subtract this from both sides. So I transpose it, it will now be negative 250r equal to 350 minus 250. So negative 250r equal to 100. Because 350 minus 250 will give us 100. Divide both sides. Okay, divide through. Divide through by negative 250. So when that happens, we're going to have negative 250, okay, equal to what? 100. Divided by negative 250. Divided by negative 250. So that we can get our common ratio. Okay? So this cancels and becomes 1. Our common ratio comes out. 0 cancels 0. Okay, 5 goes in 10 is 2. 5 goes in 25 is 5. So our answer is negative 2 over 5. So this is the common ratio. The value of the common ratio is negative 2 over 5. Next question is question number 3. I'm going to erase this part of the board to solve question number 3. Okay, it goes thus. So let us erase here and solve question 3. Okay. We're going to solve question 3 over here. Let's see what that gives us. For question number 3, I have the solution written already. So let's read. The first and the last terms of a linear sequence AP are negative 12 and 40 respectively. If the sum of the sequence is 196, find A, the number of terms, B, the common difference, C, the 12th term. Write out the parameters. The first and the last term. So our A is negative 12. Our last term, okay, let's start that. The n is 40. Alright. What else did they give us to? Okay. If the sum of the if the sum of the sequence is 196, if the sum of the sequence is 196, alright, let's now use these parameters. Now, they give us the sum Sn to be 196. Alright, they give us the first term, the last term, and the sum of that sequence to be 196. Good. So find the number of terms. So A says we should find the number of terms. Alright. We are going to use a formula of sum of the sequence, which is Sn equal to n over 2 multiply the first term plus the last term. This R stands for the last term. So let us substitute. Our Sn here is 196 equal to n over 2. Bracket open, we have our first term A, negative 12, plus the last term that we have here is 40. So we have 196 equal to n over 2. This will give me 28. Okay? Negative 12 positive 40 will give me positive 28. So 2 in itself, 1, 2 going 28 gives 14. So then we have 196 equal to n times 14 will give us 14n. Therefore, n equals 196 divided by 14. n is equal to 14. So the number of terms is now 14. First part almost solved. Okay? Now, we are going to use these to get the number of terms. The number of terms. So, how do we go about this? Okay? How do we go about this? Alright, so we're going to go about this for us to get the common difference. We're going to use the formula. Let's call this B, because we are plotting the number of terms, right? Number of terms is 14. Okay? So let's get the common difference. Okay? Un equal to A plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So we are looking for the common difference, which is B. We have solved for A. You can see it. We are looking for the number of terms, and that has been solved. So the next is common difference. So our last term here is n here is 40 equal to A is negative 12. So we are substituting with negative 12 plus number of terms now is 14. So we are going to have 14 minus 1 times D. So 40 equal to negative 12 plus, okay, this will now give us 13 times D, which is 13D. We are transposing this here. It's going to be 40 plus 52 equal to 13. Sorry, this is going to give us 40 plus 12. That will be 13D. Okay, so this transpose becomes what? 12. So we are going to have 52 equal to 13D. So D now will give us 52 divided by 13. Okay? D will now be 13 go here 1, 13 go here 52. Give me 4. So our common difference is 4. We are putting the common difference. Okay. The next one is U12. Let's call it C. The 12th term. We are looking for the 12th term. So the 12th term will now give us U12 equal to A plus 11D. Okay, so from here, A is negative 12. Okay, plus 11 times. Common difference is 4. So this will give us negative 12 plus 44. And our final answer will be 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 1. So the 12th term is 32. That marks the end of our class today. Do me a favor to click on the bell icon for notification, share this video and let it go viral. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye and be blessed.